A very good morning to all of you. My name is Dr. Pranay Val and I am working as Dean in Institute of Pharmacy, Pranveer Singh Institute of Technology, Kanpur. PSIT is affiliated to Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow, Board of Technical Education, Lucknow, Pharmacy Council of India and AICTE. The main aim of this video is to educate the students who are willing to take their career in healthcare. So I will be discussing certain options which are available after class 12th for healthcare students who are willing to take their career in healthcare. So as you all know, that due to this pandemic situation, the dependency on the Chinese product has been decreased, and India have a huge potential so that they can be an option. They can produce an option for the world so that all kind of skilled professionals are globally available for the healthcare industry. And due to huge number of economic losses in the coming future, every company will have a healthcare division, and so the healthcare division of these companies will be requiring healthcare staff. All those healthcare staff need to be skilled in various professions. Skilled staff is required. So for gaining their skills, there are certain diploma courses which are available. These courses are available online also, and these courses are these days, due to pandemic situation, being offered free also through some universities. So you can surf the internet and get the information about these courses. So after class 12th, you can do a part-time diploma in dental assistant. There is one option called dental assistant. Dental assistant, people generally is a course which is of 6 month duration, and these people generally work and assist dentist. The other course is regarding general duty assistant. General duty assistants are technicians which are helpful and working in hospitals. Then there are other courses available like emergency medical technicians and X-ray technicians. So these people are readily available for working in pathologies and X-ray centers. Then there are pathology technicians. Pathology technicians, as you all know, that there is huge number of increase in hospitals these days. So due to increase in hospitals, the more and more number of diagnostic pathologies are also being opened in India and abroad. So there is huge number of, so for 4-year graduation course, various courses available are, the first one is dietitianist or nutritionist. So for getting and for working as a registered dietitian, one need to enroll themselves through IDAindia.com. IDA India is Indian Dietitian Association, and through IDA India website, one can obtain their registration and get a diploma and get registered as a dietitian and can practice. So the main difference between a dietitian and a nutritionist is dietitian generally advise diet counseling to patients, while a nutritionist can advise to any person. They can be of help to healthy individuals also, and they can advise for normal healthy livings. So this is a course generally MSc and BSc people can do this diploma. The other course which is available is for speech therapy and occupational therapy. So there are various disabilities these days. So this course is also in demand these days and trending now. So as you all know, there is a traditional BDS, Bachelor in Dental Science course, through which one can opt their career. Apart from BDS, we have nursing course, BSc and MSc in nursing, so that one can become a nurse. Apart from all those two, one can opt their career in pharmacy. Pharmacy is an upcoming field these days, and pharmacy has 2 streams basically after class 12. One can go for diploma in pharmacy and the bachelor's in pharmacy, that is B Pharm. So diploma is D Pharm and bachelor's is B Pharm. This diploma is for 2 years duration and bachelor's in pharmacy is for 4-year duration. There are not many scope of pharmacy after we have completed this course. So apart from this, one can also opt for public health. Public health is an option which is available these days, And this course can be opted by those people also who are currently doing their bachelor's. So these bachelor's students can opt masters in public health course, and this masters in public health course can be of useful for performing various kind of epidemiological studies. These epidemiological studies are useful for estimation of population. That what kind of, like, all those agencies which require this kind of data generally used to appoint a manager who is a masters in public health administrator. Apart from this, one can also go for doctor of pharmacy, that is PharmD. PharmD is basically a 6-year course which can be directly done after class 12, and PharmD includes 5 years of regular teaching, then 1 year of internship. During the 1 year of internship, the participant is exposed to the hospital training. So these are certain courses available for one who want to pursue their career in healthcare. If you want to ask something else, you can write down the comment in the comment section below, and I will be happy to answer you all. And you can also comment me about the other topic, whatever you want to discuss, so that I can cover in my next video. Thanks a lot, and stay safe, stay happy.